An evening of excellence. It was a night worth remembering. 194 MCPS seniors from low to moderate income households were honored for their academic achievement at a special ceremony at the Music Center at Strathmore.
It is so wonderful to have you all here this evening, celebrating our students who are here receiving scholarships. And I want to first ask them to all stand so that we can give them a round of applause.
They work hard, they've made sacrifices, and they're going to be wonderful leaders, and those are the kind of people we want to support.
We are grateful for the investment in our futures by the Rales and O'Neill families. Thank you.
Each of the seniors were recipients of a $10,000 scholarship from the Norman and Ruth Rales Foundation to help them further their education beyond high school.
I'm really excited. I'm thrilled by the opportunities that winning this scholarship will enable me to pursue, and it really means a lot to my family. I'm the oldest of 5. It's really great that I can show my siblings what hard work can do.
These special scholarships honored the legacies of Ruth and Norman Rales and Patricia Bear O'Neill, who was remembered for her lifelong commitment to the children of Montgomery County.
So today we are celebrating their accomplishments. Getting the scholarship is a big deal, and so wonderful to see students from all schools throughout the county and their families here to honor them.
I come from a family of immigrants. We are working class, so it's definitely helping a lot, especially since I want to go to law school.
It's a culmination of everything I've done in my high school career, and it's just amazing that the foundation is able to provide this money for students and honor our academic excellence.